Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss logarithms of 10th standard. So first, what is a logarithm? The exponent or power. Exponent or power to which a base must be raised to get a given number. This is logarithm. The exponent or power to which a base must be raised to get a given number. For example, we have a number 2. What should be the power of 2 so that the answer is 32? We will solve this by the concept logarithm. So here we know 2 power 5 is equals to 32. 2 should be raised to the power 5. So we will get the answer 32. So this we will solve like this. Log 32 base 2. It means 2 should be raised to which power so that our answer is 32. And we have two types of logarithms. One is common logarithm and second one is natural logarithm. In the common logarithm, always we will use the base 10, and whereas in natural logarithm the base is e. And in our 10th class we are not at all going to use this natural base. Only common base and base 2, 3 or some other numbers we are going to use, but not this natural base. Okay, now let us check what are the formulas we have in this. Okay, the first formula we are going to discuss is log x power n base a is equals to n into log x base a. Here we have power. That power will come to the front as it is. Log x power n base a is equals to, this n will come to the front, so n into log x base a. Now let us discuss some problems based on this formula only. What is the value of log 625 base 5? So first let us do prime factorization for this number 625. 5 ones are 5. From 6, 5 completed means 1 will remain. 5 2s are 10, 2 will remain, 5 5s are 25. 5 25s are 125. 5 5s are 25. 1 2 3 4, 4 times there. So log 625 can be written as 5 power 4 with base 5. Now if we observe this log 5 power 4 base 5, it is in the form of log x power n base a. So now this n will come to the front as n into log x base a. The same way this 4 will come to the front. So we get 4 into log 5 base 5. Here log 5 base 5 value is 1. So 4 into 1, 4. Now based on the same formula, let us check one more example. What is the value of log 64 base 2? Here do prime factorization for the number 64. 2 32s are 64. 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. So how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. So log 64 can be written as 2 power 6 base 2. Now this is in the form of log x power n base a. So this 6 will come to the front. So we get 6 into log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 value is 1. So 6 into 1 is nothing but 6. Okay, now let us check one more example based on the same formula. Log 343 base 7. So here for 343, do the prime factorization. 749s are 7 7s are. So 1 2 3 3 times is there. Log 343 can be written as 7 power 3 with a base 7. Now it is in the form of log x power n base a. So it is equals to n into log x base a. Now this 3 will go to the front. So we get the answer as 3 into log 7 base 7. Log 7 base 7 value is 1. So 3 into 1, nothing but 3. Let us check one more. Log root x base 2. Here log, what is the value of root x? Or root x can be written as, root x can be written as x power 1 by 2. This root value is power 1 by 2. So root x can be written as x power 1 by 2 base 2 as it is. Now this is in the form of log x power n base a. So log x power 1 by 2 base 2, this 1 by 2 will come to the front. 1 by 2 into log x base 2. Here log x base 2 we cannot simplify further, so this is the final answer. Okay, now let us do the same formula in reverse. We have formula like this. Log x power n base a is equals to n into log x base a. If the power is here, we just took it to the front as it is. Now the question itself is in this form, n into log x base a. So simply we need to take this n as the power. So we get log x power n base a. So 2 times log 4 base 3 is there. Now this 2 will go to the number as power. Log 4, this will become the power base 3. So we get log 4 square means 16 base 3. Next, here also same again. Now this is in the form of n into log x base a. So if you go in reverse, that first number will go as the power. So this will come as the power. Log 4, this 3 will become power base 3. Log 4 cube 64 with base 3. Now let us move to one more formula. Okay, the next formula is log x base a power n is equals to 1 by n into log x base a. Till now we have solved some problems where the power is for this x. But in this case the power is for base. So if the power is for base, just write it in front, but reciprocal. N reciprocal is 1 by n. So log x base a power n is equals to 1 by n into log x base a. Let us do some problem based on this. What is the value of log 5 base 25? Here log 5 as it is, base 25 can be written as 5 square. Now this is in the form of log x base a power n. Now this power is for the base. This power will go to the front as a reciprocal. So 2 reciprocal is 1 by 2. Log 5 base 5. Log 5 base 5 value is 1. So 1 by 2 into 1. It is nothing but 1 by 2. Let us do one more problem. Log 2 base 32. Log 2, here 32, if we do prime factorization, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 power 5. Here again the power is for the base. So if we take to the front side, it will become reciprocal. 1 by 5 into log 2 base 2. Okay, let's move to the third formula. The third formula is very simple. That is log a base a is equals to 1. Let us do some problems on this. Value of log 5 base 5, 1. Value of log 3 base 3, 1. value of log 5 base 5 1, value of log 7 base 7 1, value of log 2 base 2 1. Now let us move to the next formula. Log xy base a, log xy base a is equals to log x plus log y with base a. Log xy base a is equals to log x base a plus log y base a. Simply we can remember this as, if multiplication is there, we need to do addition. If addition is there, we need to go with the multiplication. Log xy base a is equals to log x base a plus log y base a. Let us do one problem on this. Log 15. Log 15 can be written as 3 5s. Now this log 3 into 5 is in the form of log xy with base a. Here no base is there means every time base 10 will be there. If in any question base is not mentioned, compulsory base 10 will be there. So don't need to worry about that base. Now log 3 into 5 is in the form of log xy. So that is equals to log x plus log y. The same way log 3 into 5 is equals to log 3 plus log 5. Here multiplication is there by writing log 2 times and we need to do addition of it. Next, let us do one more. Log x square y. Now if we observe this log x square y, again it is in the form of log xy only. So if we expand it, log x square y is multiplication. So multiplication will come as a addition. So log x square plus log y. Now if we observe this first term, it is in the form of log x power n. So this power will come to the front as it is. So we get 2 times log x plus log y. Now let us do the same formula in reverse. Okay. Log 4 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Here, if we observe this, now this log 4 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 is in the form of log x base a plus log y base a. So if we go it in reverse, log xy base a. The same way log 4 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 can be written as log, this is x, this is y. So addition is there means we need to go with the multiplication. Log 4 into 5, same base 2. Log 4 into 5, 20 base 2. Let us check one more. Log 3 base 2 plus log 9 base 2 is there. Now again it is in the form of log x base a plus log y base a. So if we go it in reverse, log xy base a, here addition is there, so we need to go back to multiplication. Log 3 into 9 base 2, which is equals to log 3 9s are 27 base 2 as is well. Still if you want to simplify this, log 27 can be written as 3 power 3 base 2. Now this is in the form of log x power n base a. This power will come to the front as it is. So we get 3 into log 3 base 2. Okay, the next formula is log x by y base a is equals to log x minus log y, same base again. Log x base a minus log y base a. So in the previous formula, if multiplication is there, we did addition. If addition is there, go back to the multiplication. In this case, division and subtraction. If division is there, subtraction is there, division. So let us check one problem. Log 3 by 4. Here log 3 by 4 is in the form of log x by y. So it can be written as log 3 minus log 4. Next, one more. Log 27 by 2 base 3. Here again it is in the form of log x by y base a. So it can be written as log 27 base 3 minus log 2 base 3. Log x by y, log x minus log y with the same base 3. Now log, here 27 can be written as 3 power 3 base 3 minus log 2 base 3. Here it is in the form of log x power n base a. So this 3 will come to the front. 3 into log 3 base 3 minus log 2 base 3. Here log 3 base 3 value is 1. So we get 3 into 1. 3 minus log 2 base 3. So the value of log 27 by 2 base 3 is 3 minus log 2 base 3. So the next formula is very easy formula, that is log 1 is 0. Log 1 value is 0 with any base. Log 1 base 2 0. Log 1 base 5 0. Log 1 base 7 0. Next formula is log 0, that is not defined. For example, log 0 base 3 not defined. Log 0 base 5, it is also not defined. The next formula is a power log x base a is equals to x. Simply here a is there, here a is there. If these two numbers are same, then this will be the answer. So let us check some problems based on this. 2 power log 3 base 2. Now this 2 power log 3 base 2 is in the form of a power log x base a. So the answer will be 3. Here 2, here 2. These two numbers are same. So then obviously this will be the answer. Next, 4 power log 2 base 4. Here again same 4, 4 both are same. So 2 will be the answer. Because this is also in the form of a power log x base a, then obviously x will be the answer. So 4 power log 2 base 4 is equals to 2. Okay, now in this, one more important question will be there. Let us discuss that. 2 power 2 plus log 5 base 2. What is the value of 2 power 2 plus log 5 base 2? If we observe this question clearly, we will get one formula. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. If both the bases are same, then powers should be added. So a power m plus n we got. If it read in reverse, a power m plus n is nothing but a power n into a power n. Now the question is in the form of a power m plus n. This is a. This is m. This is n. So it is in the form of a power m plus n. If a power m plus n, if you write in reverse, it will come in the form of a power m into a power n. So the same way, a power m 2 power 2 into a power n, that is 2 power log 5 base 2. Here 2 square 4 into 2 power log 5 base 2. Now this 2 power log 5 base 2 is in the form of a power log x base a. Here 2 is there, here 2 is there. So answer will be 5. So 4 into 5, that is nothing but 20. Okay, now let us discuss one more problem. What is the value of 3 power 2 minus log 4 base 3? Now if we observe this question clearly, we need to get one formula, that is a power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. A power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. If in reverse, a power m minus n is equals to a power m divided by a power n. Now the given question is in the form of a power m minus n. A power m minus n. So this 3 is a, this 2 is m, and this total log for base 3 is n. So a power m minus n. Now a power m minus n is there. Let us convert it to a power m by a power n. So a power m, a is 3, power m is 2, divided by a power n. A is 3, power log 4 base 3. which is equals to 3 square 9 divided by 3 power log 4 base 3. Here 3 both are same, so the number will be 4. So the final answer is 9 divided by 4. Okay, till now we solved some problems based on a particular formula only. Now let us combine all the formulas together and let us solve some problems. Okay, the question is 2 into log 5 base 3 plus log 40 base 3 minus 3 into log 10 base 3. This is the expanded form of logarithm. Just we need to make it simple. Otherwise write it as a single logarithm. Okay, now here first term if we observe, we have one formula. Log a power n base x is equals to, this power n will come to the front, so we get n into log a base x. In reverse, if we say in the front, if some number is there, it will go as the power. So the same way here front side some number is there, then it will go as the power. So we will get log 5 square base 3 plus, here it is normal logarithm only, so write it as it is log 40 base 3 minus, here again front some number is there, so it will go as the power. So we get log 10 cube base 3. Now log 5 square 25 base 3 plus log 40 base 3 minus log 10 cube 1000 base 3. Now if we observe this first term and second term, it is in the form of log x plus log y. If addition is there, we will go with multiplication. Log x plus log y is nothing but log x y. So the same way here addition is there, we need to do multiplication. So log 25 into 40 base 3 minus log 1000 base 3. Log 25 into 40 1000 base 3 minus log 1000 base 3. Here log 1000 base 3 minus log 1000 base 3 both will get cancelled, so we remains with 0. Okay, let us take one more question also. Log 27x square y power 5 base 3 is there. So now if we observe this, this is in the form of log xy. Log xy is nothing but log x plus log y. If multiplication is there, we will make it as addition. If addition is there, we will make it as multiplication. So now if we observe the question clearly, here 27 is there, x is there, y is there, whereas here only x and y are there. Anyway, no problem, multiplication only, just we make it to addition. So log 27 into x square into y power 5 can be written as log 27 plus log x square plus log y power 5 base 3 as usual. So now here first term log 27 can be written as 3 power 3 base 3 plus, now this is in the form of log x power n base a, this 2 will come to the front, so 2 into log x base 3 plus, the same here also 5 will come to the front, so 5 into log y base 3. Now here if we take the first term, this 3 also will come to the front, so 3 into log 3 base 3 plus 2 into log x base 3 plus 5 into log y base 3. This log 3 base 3 value is 1, so 3 into 1 3, so final answer will be 3 plus 2 log x base 3 plus 5 into log y base 3. Okay, let us check one more question. Value of log 1 by 125 base 5. Log 1 by 125 is in the reciprocal form, so if we write it, 1 by 125 can be written as 125 power minus 1 with base 5. Log, here 125 can be written as 5 power 3 power minus 1 base 5. Log Now this, if we observe 5 power 3 whole power minus 1, it is in the form of a power m whole power n, which is nothing but a power mn. In our simple terms, if two powers are there with bracket, just multiply those two powers. So log 5 power 3 and 1, sorry, minus 1, both should be multiplied. 3 into minus 1, minus 3 base 5. Now this power minus 3 will come to the front, so we will get minus 3 into log 5 base 5. Here log 5 base 5 value is 1, so our final answer is minus 3. Now if we check this question, log 81 base 1 by 3. Log 81 can be written as 3 power 4. Here base 1 by 3 is in reciprocal form. If we make it to the normal, 3 power minus 1. Now this 4 will go as it is, so it is 4. This power is for the base, it will go as the reciprocal, and log 3 base 3. 4 by minus 1 is nothing but minus 4. Log 3 base 3 value is 1. So minus 4 into 1 is nothing but minus 4. Okay, let's check one more question. 7 into log x base 12 plus 2 into log y base 12. Here if we observe this, this is in the form of log x power n base a is equals to n into log x base a. Here in front, if number is there means it will go as the power. So here also same, here 7 is the front number, so it will go as the power. Here 2 is the front number, it will go as the power. So we get log x power 7 base 12 plus log y power 2 base 12. Now if we observe these two terms, these are in the form of log x plus log y. If addition is there, we will go back to multiplication. So log x y. The same way log x power 7 into y power 2 base 12. Okay, let's take one more question. Log x y cube divided by root z base 3. Now, if we observe this, only numerator I am speaking about, it is in the form of log xy. If multiplication is there means it will go to addition. So, log x plus log y. The same way, log xy cube can be written as log x plus log y cube. Whereas this denominator, it is in division form, so it will become minus log root z. Here for power is not there, front number is not there, so as usual log x plus, here power is there, this power will come to the front, so we will get 3 into log y minus log z, root z can be written as z power 1 by 2. Here first term as it is log x plus second term as it is 3 log y minus this 1 by 2 will come to the front, half into log z. Okay, let's take one more question. Value of x if log x plus 2 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 is equals to log 27 base 2. Now if we observe this LHS, it is in the form of log x plus log y. Log x plus log y. If addition is there means we will go back to multiplication. So log x plus log y is nothing but log xy. The same way log x plus 2 into 3, same base 2, is equals to log 27 base 2. Log, here x plus 2 is inside the bracket and 3 is outside the bracket. So multiply each and every number which is inside the bracket with the number outside the bracket. X into 3, 3x plus 2 into 3, 6. So log 3x plus 6 base 2 is equals to log 27 base 2. Now, if both the bases are same, we can compare the logarithms. So, here 3x plus 6 equals to 27. 6 I will take to the right side, so we will get 3x is equals to 27 minus 6. 3x is equals to 27 minus 6, 21. So 3x is equals to 21. This 3 also I will take to the right side, so we get x is equals to 21 divided by 3. X is equals to 21 divided by 3. If you do cancellation, 3 ones are 3 sevens are. X is equals to 7. And in this logarithm only, let us discuss one more topic also, that is converting from logarithm to exponential form and exponential form to logarithmic form. Okay, for example, we have an exponential form like this: a power x is equals to b. This is exponential form. And we need to convert this exponential form to logarithmic form. Here, what answer we are getting, for that apply log b. Here, what is the base? As it is, you write as the base only, a. Still, what is remaining here? Power is remaining, that right power is equals to. So, a power x is equals to b is in the exponential form. If we change it to logarithmic form, we will get log b base a is equals to x. Let us check one question. 2 power 5 is equals to 32. Convert this to logarithmic form. First, for the answer, apply log 32. Here base is 2, so write the same as here also, base is equals to, what is the power? 5. Write the said answer. So log 32 base 2 is equals to 5. Let us check one more. 3 power 4 is equals to 81. Exponential form, convert this to logarithmic form. For the answer, apply log 81. Here base is 3. As it is, right here also as base is equals to your power. Here it will be answer. Log 81 base 3 is equals to 4. If they ask in reverse also, let us check in reverse then. Log 27 base 3 is equals to 3. Okay, now I gave the question itself in logarithmic form. Log 27 base 3 is equals to 3. Now this logarithmic form we need to convert to exponential form. Here it is the base, write it as it is as base only. Answer, make it as power. Here what log is there, write that as answer. Exponential form to logarithmic form to exponential form. Let us discuss one problem on that. Log x base 3 is equals to 2. Then what is the x value? Here, now this is in the logarithmic form. We need to convert this to exponential form. It is very easy. Here log is there for x. So x will be our answer, which is equals to, here this is the base. So as it is, write it as the base only. Here it is answer. So make it as power. So x is equals to 3 square. 3 square is nothing but 9. So x value is 9. Let us check one more question. What is the x value if log 8x minus 15 base 3 is equals to 4? Again, it is in the logarithmic form. First, we need to convert this to exponential form. Here it is base. As it is, it will go as the base only, 3. Here it is answer, so it will come as the power, which is equals to, here logarithm number is there, that will become here answer, 8x minus 15. 3 power 4, 81, which is equals to 8x minus 15. Okay, now this minus 15, if we take another side, it will become plus 15. So we get 81 plus 15 is equals to 8x. 81 plus 15, 96. 8x is equals to 96. We want x value, so that's why I will take 8 to the right side. So x is equals to 96 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8 12s are. So x value is 12. Okay, I hope everyone understood about this logarithm. Still, if you have any doubts, keep it in the comment section. I will answer it. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.